Oh my gosh. I am in Patagonia. As you may know, I grew up in Patagonia. Yeah, the one near the South Pole. Just now, Patagonia, Arizona. Isn't this so beautiful? Wow.
Follow me to my favorite tree. Well, I'm off.
Let me show you around.
Steady air. I could be your security. There's no guarantee on anything. And I'll take care of you along the way. My love, one day at a time, will leave our troubles behind.
Let's go say hi to my bird friends.
And you'll take care of me along the way. My love, one day at a time, will leave our troubles behind. Here with you, in our treetop view. Well, it takes me to when I was young. I fell before, but I can't ignore that it's nothing like I'm falling now.
I am at the Patagonia Lake State Park, and it is so pretty. They have some sites very close to the water. They have sites up on the hill. Patagonia Lake State Park. Gorgeous day too. Oh my goodness. It's not too hot. It feels perfect. A little bit of a breeze.
You'll take care of me along the way. My love, one day at a time, will leave our troubles behind. Yeah. Our troubles behind.
I think I have come across something that I never seen in the United States in the over 26 years, and I have never seen what I'm about to show you. I don't even know what the name is of it, but in Chile we call these grutas, and there are religious offerings to saints. I never seen this in the United States in the over 26 years that I've been here. was open. Why am I doing this? No, it's open. Let's take a look inside. Si mi familia y mis amistades están viendo esto es lo que nosotros le llamaríamos una gruta, ¿verdad? En Chile. Y esta es la primera vez que yo lo veo en Estados Unidos. And this is right on the side of the highway, on those beautiful walks that you can see as you drive by. Oh, my knees. Can you hear that? Hear that? Those are my knees. Ow! As a reference, that's where la gruta. Y aquí está el camino, the highway.
Don't wanna live like this no more. Don't wanna crawl around on the floor. Don't wanna wake up crying anymore, singing, oh, that sound that.
And this is actually a school, or it was a school, a grammar school.
Sweet, sweet sound. Too much sorrow, too much pain. Too many wars, are we too late? I hear the sound of the walls falling down, singing, oh, that sound, that sweet, sweet sound. Oh, that sound, that sweet, sweet sound. I started to shake, I started to groove, I started to shout, I started to move.
This is just one room and they close at 4, so I want to kind of soak it all in and show you as much as I can.
Exactly what to do. Not gonna wait and wait and wait.
I remember this.
Don't you let me down. Don't want no castle made of sand. I wanna use these two strong hands. There are some things we'll never understand. Singing, oh, that sound, that sweet, sweet sound. Oh, that sound, that sweet, sweet sound. When the ghost got loose, I know exactly what to do. You can wait and wait and wait around. Get tripped up, lost or found, but don't you let me down. I said, don't you let me down. I started to shake. I started to groove. Oh, that sound, that sweet, sweet sound.